Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SQLite in your Android app with Room, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install SQLite in your Android app using Room, begin by opening your Android Studio. Create a new project or open your existing project. Navigate to the build.gradle file for your app module. In the Dependencies section, add the Room library by including the following line: implementation androids.room or Room runtime 2.4.3. For annotation processing, also add cap androids.room or Room compiler 2.4.3. If you haven't enabled Kotlin KAPT, add it at the top of your build.gradle file. Apply plugin Kotlin capt. After adding the dependencies, click Sync Now to update the project. Next, create a new Kotlin or Java data class that represents your database entity. Annotate this class with an entity to indicate it is a Room entity. Define the properties of your class, and use the @primary key annotation to designate the primary key. Now, create a Data Access Object, or DAO, interface. In this interface, define your database operations such as insert, update, delete, and queries. Annotate these methods with Room annotations at insert, at update, at delete, and at query. Create a Room database class by extending Room database. In this class, define an abstract method that returns your DAO. Use the Room database builder to create an instance of the database. In your application class, initialize the Room database instance. You can now use this instance to access your DAO methods throughout your app. To perform operations, ensure you execute your database operations on a background thread to avoid blocking the UI. Consider using LiveData for observing data changes in your UI. With these steps, you have successfully integrated SQLite using Room in your Android app. Now you can build and run your application to test the database functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.